Welcome to our assembly.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Ready? Go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Mrs. Henningson's winners are Michael Henry,
Zohaib and Elliot.
Miss McCoy's winners are Drake, Francisco, Kemper, and Cammie. Miss Volk's winners are
Jacob, Mila,
Bridget, and Chase.
Mrs. Thompson's winners are Laura, Barry,
Renee, and Morris.
Miss Gursky's winners are Hattie, Mason,
Ella, and Elliot.
Miss Fortina's winners are Asher, Peyton, and Evelyn.
Mrs. Giard's winners are Ellie, Mason,
Raven, and Reese.
Mrs. Gottsy's winners are Ariana and Calvin.
Aiden, and Christopher. Miss Del Planche's winners are James, Nia,
Adea, and Angel.
Miss Cackle's winners are Alex, Elijah, Simone, and Russell.
Miss Merritt's winners are Quinn and Brianna.
Mason and Silas.
Mrs. O'Leary's winners are Adeline, Afia, Mahan, and Abu.
Miss Brock's winners are Miguel, Mackenzie,
Wyatt, and Aaron.
Mrs. James' winners are Mia, Emma, Hamza, and Brian.
Mrs. McLean's winners are Alex, Jenna,
Caden, and Buster. Mr. Kreischer's winners are Max, Grayson, Spencer, and Eliza. Miss Dunn's winners accessing the SECs are
Ryan and Garrett.
This month, we're focused on self-management. Have a great day, Panthers!